my channel. It's been a long time I didn't make a video. So today we're going to Hakata station. I'm going to the old town. I will show you later for my walking tour. So this bus goes to Hakata station. You just have to pay 260 yen. Nearby the cruise terminal right there, cruise terminal. It's a walking distance like 5 minutes walk to here bus station, and you just have to pay 260 yen. You can use your credit card or you can use cash as well, so you can pay when you get off the bus.
Go too much days. I already go too much days.
At the station.
Vehicle section of the bus, or it is very dangerous.
At the station.
はい、いらっしゃいました。ドアが開いてからお立ちください。ドアが開いてお立ちください。もう少しお待ちください。ドアが開いて。Okay.
Yeah, here in Hakata station. So this is the bus that I ride. I'm here now in Hakata station. This is the station, Hakata station. So from here I will walk around. It's the downtown. Let's see, let's explore. So I think this is the Hakata old town. Tips for you guys: if you are here in Japan and you love to explore, you better wear comfortable shoes because it's a lot of walking here. Long walk. So as per the maps that I follow, I think this is the place, the old town. Let's see inside. So this is what you will see here. Moment to honor Onmanjo Dokoro. Moment to commemorate the origin of Odon and Subat noodles. Oh, moment to honor Mitsuta Yazimun. It's very nice houses. But also, it's very good smell the flower here, guys. I think this flower is very nice smell. This flower, I think this flower is very nice smell. Yes, this one. I couldn't find the old town, but I think this is the one, old town. I lost my internet, so I cannot follow the maps. Lalagit akong kauban. Mga Russian nga nag-explore. Magmao naman sila in downtown, old town. Wala ko internet, guys. I don't know where to go. I found it. So I think this is the old town Hakata. So So let's see here. There's a lot of koi fish in their fish pond. Walking tour here in the old town of Hakata. Sayang wala ko ito ang tripod. Or taga-picture na ako. I found another spot. There's a lot of walking, guys. It's a temple. Buddha temple. Here's the spot what I'm looking for. How do you pray to light the candle? Same with the Filipinos. Same with the Catholic. Chinese. Let's see the Chinese. Ikot lang simbahan. Alright. Let's go back. So I think that guy is a vlogger also. He has a nice camera out there. And final destination. So now I'm going back to the Hakata station. I will go back to ship now because still travel a little bit far. And this is the Hakata Old Town station. But there's no subway going to Port Terminal, so I'll just take the bus. Hakata station. The bus, guys. I'm going back to the pier. That's still the same. I ride the same bus. Wow, what a coincidence. So from where the bus dropped me, I just take from there also. I'm near on my destination, guys.
謝いただきました。はい、ドアが開いてからお立ちくださいね。危険ですので、ドアが開いてからお立ちください。
So the next stop is my final destination, and then I need to walk to the. Wow, there's a lot of car here, sports car. Then I need to walk going to the ship. They have a display car show, sports car. Finally, we arrive now. Our final destination.
Touch. I see. Clear. Clear span. Okay.
Tap 2 times.
Two
2 times you tap.
Two touch. Two touch. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Bus that I ride, guys. Finally, I am here. I'm back to. So I'm going back to the ship now because I don't have enough time. I mean, I have enough time, but I need to take a nap and I need to check my schedule. I need to rest. So this time is summer in Japan, guys, but not really too hot. Cool air. Oh, cannot jump it. Where she go there? So my battery is dead, also exhausted. So that's why I really want to go back now. See you later. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it and it helps you on your in your I hope you have an idea. Oh, he go there. I supposed to go right here with them. He go in the terminal. Look at that. Over there, so you can see that. So you just have to walk because the bus will just stop you by that terminal. So that's the bus. They will turn around and they will go back. I spent today around, for the fare is 260 each way, so 520 two-way, and then my snacks is like 400 something, so around 1,000. I spent 1,000 yen today, so not bad because I don't want to spend a lot of money here. Actually, it's still expensive for me to save because I'm going home soon. Otherwise, I don't have to for my family when I'm home. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog. I'll show you a nice here. Over there, they will take a rest. They will have a break. So there, they're gonna park. That's why. Thank you, Lord. I'm back. I'm safe. I love to go to the Canal City, but I don't have battery, so it's useless if I go there and then I'm gonna take pictures and videos. I can show you. So next time. Hey, hi, babe. So beautiful, huh? Good. Huh? I went to the old town. That's the cruise ship terminal. Fukuoka Chubu Wharf Cruise Center. I love to go alone, guys, because I can manage my time. I can do whatever I want. I can go wherever I want. Unlike if I have somebody, like, I'm not comfortable to go with somebody because I feel shy. Maybe if I want to go that place and then they don't want to go there, you know what I mean? That's why now I am very happy how I spend my time. Now I have enough to rest, sleep 2 hours. Here in the terminal, as you can see, there's like container, and you can see the spirit and that side.